Clio fits exactly with my professional life because I started working in 1990. There are several things that stand out for me in the Clio advertising saga. The first was the launch, which, honestly, I thought was a complete failure with the Transformer concept. But I have to sincerely admit that we made up for it, because I remember the Clio saga perfectly. With its Elle a tout d'une grande, it's got everything of a great car. I remember the 3 USSR movies in 1992, the China film in 1994, with that incredible slogan that you can't do anymore if you don't have the new Clio, ride a bike. It's impossible to say that today. And then, of course, the 1995 film with the modern version of The Godfather. I also vividly remember a film that marked a whole generation, which I think was the first time we saw the Clio Baccarat. I think it was on Clio Phase 1 again. Not expensive enough, nicer. With the very cool Emir in the same attitude as she has everything for a great car, Elle a tout d'une grande. There are at least 2 that, for me, are absolutely iconic movies. The famous Get Up R.
Get up!
As it's remembered, this advert, which I believe was for the MTV limited edition in Italy.
Get up! Get up!
Then, of course, there's the absolutely crazy advertising saga from 1991. I think it lasted to 1998. It's in UK. It's Papa and Nicole. That's an iconic saga. I love that saga. Then I remember one slogan which was perfectly written. It was around 2007. It was the movie called Signe extérieur de richesse. I think it was in France. I really like that. I'm quite jealous. I would have loved to have found the slogan. Obviously, out of modesty, I don't want to include in the list of the iconic movies the one that I've made since 2020. But I really like one of these. It was the one where we covered the music from the Buggles called Video Killed a Radio Star, which was a bit of re-storytelling of the Clio saga. I have to acknowledge the fact that there are plenty of ads that I didn't like either. Let's be honest, that's fair. But still, about 9 or 10 that I liked, that's pretty cool. The energy is changing, it's becoming an hybrid, but the love is still there. And it's really what we wanted to play up, in fact. We wanted to do something extremely fashion, premium. We wanted, as always, an iconic music. We have chosen Erasure, I say it with a French accent, Au l'amour, which is a huge hit from the 90s. But that's not enough. We have a little surprise for the end of the year because we have made something specific for Clio and it will be released by the end of the year, exactly in December. We've given carte blanche to a rap artist. His name is Silla. He's from Belgium. That's the surprise of the year for the Clio 33 anniversary of advertising.